Today, we will explore how to use the speech-to-text feature from ElevenLabs in combination with Waghl to transcribe your voice notes. To begin, you will need an ElevenLabs I.o subscription. You can visit the ElevenLabs I.o website and click on Go to App. If you're already an ElevenLabs user, this interface will be familiar. If not, you will need to sign up for an account. Make sure your account has the necessary tokens to carry out this task. The first step is to copy your ElevenLabs API keys. Navigate to the API keys section. If you already have your API key, you are ready to proceed. If not, create a new one by clicking on Create. This will generate an API key for you. Copy this key to your clipboard and store it in a secure place, as you won't be able to retrieve this key later. Once you have this key, go to your Waghl admin panel. Go to the user section and find your location ID. Next to it, you'll see the Edit icon. Click on the Edit icon, find the ElevenLabs API key section, and enter your ElevenLabs API key. After the API key is inserted, click on Update, and you're all set. Now, let's proceed to the necessary settings inside the GoHighLevel platform. Inside GoHighLevel, navigate to the contacts and click on the Settings icon. Let's begin with the addition of a new custom field to the contacts. Click on the Add Field option, and then select a multi-line field. Proceed to click on Next. It's important to note that the field name must be STT. Any other name will not work. The name has to be strictly STT. Choose General Info as the group and fill in the other values as required. Finally, click on Save. The field has been saved on our end. Once the first step is complete, we will move on to creating a simple automation workflow. This workflow only requires a trigger, customer replied, and a webhook. Let's discuss the trigger first. The trigger is set to customer replied, with a filter set to contain the phrase voice note with a specific emoji. The reason for this specific filter is that when we receive a voice note from Waghl, the voice note is flagged with these exact words. We have simply copied this phrase and pasted it into our filter. After saving the trigger, we move on to the webhook. The URL for the webhook can be found in the description of this video. The webhook contains custom data with only one field, voice note. It is crucial to ensure there are no blank spaces before or after the custom field. The variable message attachments should be used. To do this, click the Stack button, navigate to your messages, and select Message Attachments. Once this action is saved, your workflow will be complete. Now, it's time to test it. Here is my contact. I will send a voice note from this contact to the connected number. Let's see what happens. Hello, this is a test of the voice note feature of Waghl with ElevenLabs. I've just sent myself a new voice note. Shortly, it should appear on the platform. And there it is. We've successfully completed that step. The STT, which is the transcription of this voice note, should have already been updated in the custom field we created earlier. This custom field can now be incorporated into your automations as needed. Before we finish, there's another important point to note. If you prefer not to input your ElevenLabs API key directly into your admin panel, there is an optional field in the webhook that you can use in your workflows. You can add another field for the API key and input your API key there. If this option is more convenient for you, feel free to use it. It's completely optional. Thank you.